you make salad, let the cream be pink. Put hot dog, small meat inside. If you see bread, just let the bread be hard a little bit. Then cover it. It will turn to shawarma.
Just like that. Who
Now.
told you that?
As I was eating it, I saw the ingredients.
So that was how you discovered it. So you can
salad.
discover
you put
shawarma.
cucumber. You put carrots.
Cucumber.
Now
It's cucumber. I mean cucumber.
you from
Mercy.